Hello and welcome. I'm Master Lama Rasaji, and this is our Thursday PFL edition of Rasaji Speaks. Speaking of PFL, Nature's Abundance is the title today, and the host is going to be our President Nate with Sister Nan, Sansarji, and Sister Penny. And it's going to have women on that have experience building gardens and working in the lands and the pros and the cons of taking soil samples, culturing your soil to grow the right things. I wanted to have women on. I thought that was really cool, and it'll make us feel connected to moving back to the Adiatic state of consciousness. Amen. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun if you're interested in gardening or have started a gardening, then get ready. I'm sure you're going to hear some great input about what we're going to be doing in Jasper and also what they are doing. And I think it's very, very exciting. Also, don't forget we got the celebration this weekend. On the 13th, we're going to Blue Bamboo at 6 p.m. If you're going to be in town and it works out with you, make sure you're on Sister Dawn's list. If you're going to train with us live, right, then you need to get with Sister Brienne Cooper. She has the list on training. She has an invitation, right? So whether you're a local student or you're coming in from out of town, you'll need an invitation, right? Class is free. Donations, of course, are welcome. And you'll be there. We're only going to take about 20 to 25 people. So it's kind of first come, first serve. Make sure you're on the list. Now, if you get an invitation, and some people in our local area will walk in, they'll grab an invitation, that's okay. But if you're coming, your name needs to be on the list, RSVP. We need to know who's coming because we're going to have it catered for lunch on Sunday. And we need to know who's going to be there. So we're going to probably limit it to about 25 to 30 people. We already know a dozen are coming already plus. So anyhow, we wanted to open it up to a few of our locals because now we've got some locals that have been with us 6 months or longer. They're real serious. They want to meet some of the students from out of town. It should be fun. Also, the live streaming is going. We've already had about 20 plus people sign up for live streaming if you want to be a part of that. Lama G is going to preview some of the things we're going to be doing at the meditation and form intensive in September that comes from Master Lama's second book, Meditating with Rasaji, that Petra and Lamaji are reworking so that it will be ready for our January convention. And I'll be talking more about the qualifications for teachers that are coming to the conventions. Remember, it's called a teacher's convention. So that's like a no-brainer giveaway, right? Anyhow, what is today's topic? Oh, beginning investors. So let's all humble ourselves for a few minutes, empty our cup. Everybody that's listening to me has investing experience. If you've been with us even 6 to 12 months, and you've started to do column exercise and you started Master David's feng shui envelopes. Now you can go through over 3 years of archives, and Master David talked about feng shui envelopes and the column exercise and how to properly do both, align both, and you want to hear those videos, especially if you're here the first 6 months or less, you want to go hear those and get started with your feng shui envelopes. Lama G is just going to spend a moment briefly. You should start with 2 to 3 envelopes. You should label those envelopes what you want money to fund. Could be retirement, it could be financial independent, it could be a grandchild's beginning of their college fund. One of my favorite is a vacation fund. If you have a fun spirit and adventuresome like Lama G, it's probably going to be important. It could be a tour envelope. If you're a teacher, it could be a teaching practice envelope. Maybe you're going to start teaching and you would like to have about 3 to 6 months salary in that envelope as you venture out to teach. Maybe you're ready to jump and you're ready to leave a present employee, but you would feel really good if maybe you had 6 months or longer of revenue in that envelope. Anyhow, there's a lot of things you could do. You should start with 2 or 3. I've seen Master David have as many as 6 to 12. He likes to isolate and organize it. 2 things that you want to do. Start with 1 to 10% in each envelope that you put aside. Go slow. It's better just to build the discipline. If you've never done it before, 1% for this envelope. If it's 3, it's only 3% of your total income, right? So that's not a lot, right? On $1,000, that's $300 a month. It's not a lot when you look at it. Actually, on $10,000, excuse me, it's $300. So you get an idea what I'm talking about, right? On 1,000, it's $30 that would be going in each one of those envelopes. That's the very minimum that you should probably do. Every time you get paid, you take that 1 to 10% and you put it in an envelope. Every time. Every time you get paid, you do that. The other thing is, it's like a miniature column exercise. You're going to take a piece of paper. I would suggest a typical 8.5 by 11 or 12. Maybe you tore a page from one of your dollar books, right? And you're going to put it in each one of those. You title it at the top what you want it to fund. So it'll say the same thing that the envelope will say. The difference is if it's your first time, spend at least a paragraph, right? At least 25 to 50 words of what example financial independence looks like to you. Because to a lot of people, it's different. What does traveling look like? If it's a travel envelope, where do you want your grandchild to go to college? And what do you want them to study? You see where I'm going with this? You're going to, every yin cycle, which is 3 to 4 times a year, right? Every 112 days. So if we're in a full moon and it's the yin cycle peak 112 days from now, about 4 months, we're going to be back in that cycle. So at least 3 times a year, you go through your envelopes, you count that money. That'll get you excited. And you expand. Spend 3 or 4 months since you started the envelope. Now expand on financial retirement or independence or my fun envelope and travel or tour or boot camp or convention, right? If you're thinking about going to the convention and you haven't started an envelope, buddy, howdy, you probably should have started about a couple of weeks ago, right? They're not cheap, but it's amazing the value of that, right? So this is the gist of what you do. Now, each one of these envelopes down the road, depending on your time frame, can eventually then move to a money market account, a savings account. I could invest in stock, in crypto, gas and oil, land trust, whatever. Look at your time frame. When you're writing it down, get a sense when you're going to need some capital out of this envelope. This is the mindset of a financial planner. Lama G was trained in the early 90s to be a planner. That's how you look at things. You need to know what you want it to fund, when you need to address the capital, right? People invest here at Prosperity for Life. They know every deposit that they make is 5 years or longer. The people that are really rolling over their capital, they're looking at some things that most people never thought about. When we get the Lamasery property, they're wanting that account to be big enough one day, either to put a down payment on a construction of their house or condo, or they're hoping to totally finance it with what they're doing. And collectively, they're helping us increase our asset base, which opens doors for conventional capital and everything for PFL. So we have a joint venture relationship, right? You're investing, but we're not officially a brokerage house or a bank or anything like that. Definitely not an ATM machine. Don't put 500 or $500,000, and we've had everything in between come in from 500 to 500,000, and thinks that next month you're going to be able to access that like you do at your bank account. No, we're like a private club, if you will. And the money you're loaning to PFL over a time. We pay a double digit return. Try to get that in a bank, a credit union, something. And most of our investments have 5 to 10 year maturities. People forget that a lot of times, 5 to 10 years. If you understand how investments work, it takes a good 5 to 10 years to get 10% in an average portfolio or better. We're invested into real estate, land trust, silver and gold, EFT, mutual funds, individual equities, gold and silver, gas and oil, businesses. You see where I'm going? We have a very diversified portfolio, which reduces our risk and maximizes our gain. Anytime somebody is deciding to start an account, or they want to add to account, or they want to talk about the account, all they have to do is send an email to Prosperity of Life LLC, title it PFL. I'll open it up and you'll say, Lama G, I'd like to schedule an appointment with you to talk about the account, right? So maybe that gives you a more clear vision, especially if you're new. You have to be a member of COC, at least at the basic level. That means paying anywhere, if you were grandfathered in years ago, you know what you're paying. Most people today are paying about $44.95 a month. Best membership value is actually Master David's live class, because you get hundreds of hours of PFL on Thursday, hundreds of hours with Lama G or Master David on Friday, where we talk about spirituality, health, and longevity. You get um, 4 live classes of Master David mastering the yin system is what you want to spend the first couple of years doing. You get a simulcast class with Lamaji Wednesday mornings at 9:30, where we go through some of the yang and the yin exercise, and you feel that transition. You also are able to get on the gathering at 1 o'clock on Wednesday and 4 o'clock on Sunday. Now, we don't record that because a lot of times people share private stuff and we want to respect everybody's privacy. But everything else we record. So if you choose the live membership for less than $80 a month, which is about $1.50 a day, amazing, right? Can't buy a cup of coffee for that, and then that's gone. Unbelievable check in. Everybody chime in how valuable the live membership is, and is it worth it with all the archives of education? And oh, you'll notice here on our YouTube station, we have almost 1,000 recorded videos. That's free, but at every membership level, that's also conveniently in your back office if you miss one from time to time. So, as we say in the East, Baraka Bushide, and don't forget to contact Dawn about the dinner on the 13th, Sister Brienne about training on the 14th, which is Flag Day also. And we're excited that you're with us. God bless you and Baraka Bashad. See you tomorrow on Shangri-La Friday. God bless you and God bless your family.